Here are my top three business intelligence tools on the marketplace today. Number one is Power BI. We use Power BI more than anything. The primary driver there is it's very cost effective. And if you're a Microsoft shop, it easily blends into your environment already. I think it's the best bang for your buck out there. And most companies are Office 365, so it fits perfectly. Number two on the list is Tableau. Tableau is great. One thing that I love that Tableau does better than Power BI is you can make visualizations that really, really pop. They just look a little bit better than you can get with Power BI. Tableau is a little bit more expensive though, and it's not quite as intuitive or beginner friendly as Power BI, in my opinion. So that's why I have it number two behind Power BI. And then number three, I have Google's Looker. So Looker, I think, is great. It's not as old of a name in the BI space as Power BI and Tableau, which have kind of been kings for a long time. But Looker is excellent if you're a SaaS company and you want to do embedded analytics inside of your application. I think it's the best BI tool for that specific use case. So let me know what you guys think and if you agree. But I think the top three on the market: Power BI, Tableau, and Looker.